Hi, my name is Andrew, and as you can tell, it's snowing. That means snowmen and snowballs. So guys, remember our acorns that we played in the last video? Skull got them. But don't worry, that's the thing about gardening. If it don't work this year, you can always try again next year. So we're not going to let it get us down. So guys, I'm going to show you our Brussels sprouts. Here's this giant spot of green. So guys, today we're going to show you how you're supposed to trim your Brussels sprouts. Because after like a giant snow like this, the Brussels sprouts are going to get a lot sweeter. A dinosaur kale. Palm tree dinosaur kale. I wish we had a palm tree growing right now. And now these are our Brussels sprouts. And if you look, they're growing. These ones are pretty. Some are small, but most of them are big. Then these guys up here are small. So guys, this is the top. And this will keep growing. If you cut it off, the plant will give more energy to the top ones to get bigger. So we're going to use bypass seals. Make sure you don't cut your finger. It's a little tough because it's cold. There you go. And if you don't want to cut them, you can just pull it right off. Watch. Okay, let my pro do it. Good job, Dada.
Thanks, buddy.
That was filming. This was awesome. Oh, there we go. That's like, my dad definitely did not pull it out. So guys, that's how you trim your Brussels sprouts. It's getting pretty cold, so we gotta go back inside. And if you guys have snow like us, have fun. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. Oh. Yeah. My pants are getting so dirty. Now I know why they call them a snow angel.